Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley here, and I am so happy to be coming to you for this very special video. I want to announce a giveaway that I will be hosting here on my YouTube as well as over on my blog and on my Instagram. So wherever you're following me, and I hope you're following me in all the places, I'll be sure to link those below. Wherever you're following me, you will be able to enter this giveaway. Now, I did a little clean out of my craft room a few months ago, and I had kind of set aside some gently used craft items, maybe some things that have been discontinued or things I was no longer using. There are some brand new items in here as well, things I haven't touched. And I had 8 sets of blending brushes, not like ginormous sets, but I kind of created 8 mini sets of blending brushes to give away. And what I've done is I have taken all of those craft goodies and I've divided them among 8 priority mailboxes to give away to 8 lucky viewers out there. So I'm going to show you this box here. I am giving away 8 of these boxes filled with crafty goodies, including a set of blending brushes. There are a couple of Misties in these boxes. There's another stamp platform tool. There's a heat tool in one of the boxes, and I've just kind of divided it up among the boxes and just kind of stuffed them full of craft supplies and stamps and dies and that sort of thing. So what you need to do to enter, and you have to be 18 or older, and you need to live in the United States because I'm going to be shipping these priority mailboxes to you. You need to click the link below. It is a Google form. You're going to fill that out. Now, there is one box that has some foiling supplies in it. So if you don't have a foiling platform, you're going to be able to either opt in or not as far as winning that box. So I'll draw a name for that box and check to see if they have the foiling thing checked or not, and I'll go down the list and try to find them. I'm going to pick 8 random entries from the entries I receive filling out the Google Doc, and I'm going to send those out. Now, I'm going to choose the winners on December 24th at 9 p.m. Pacific time. So I will cut off entries at 9 p.m. Pacific time, and I will draw the winners and I will contact them. You need to make sure when you fill out the Google Doc that you have a valid email address, because the winners will have 72 hours to claim their prize. And after that 72 hours, I will go on and choose a new winner if I haven't heard back from them. So if you want to enter to win some gently used craft supplies, some blending brushes, go ahead and click the link below. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.